Hey there, YouTube. We just got the old AC we moved. We got rid of it.
Yeah, it leaked all over my bed.
Yeah, the old AC leaked on our bed, and we're gonna put that new one over there. So it can be cool in here. Yippee! Well, that sucks.
What's up? Yeah, this is on my bed.
It was saying,
What are you looking for?
freak you.
I need you. I'm gonna get my butt wet.
I'm sitting.
Huh? Jacob, help Dad.
Here's the remote. Dad. Let's carry the box over there. Okay, we got this nice piece right here.
No, just grab it stupid. Don't yank on it, idiot. What a dumbass.
Oh wow. It's remote control.
I told this when the battery's out of the remote.
Leave that alone.
Don't open it up yet.
Well,
Damn stupid, put on the
Yeah.
deck. Damn, Jacob.
hey, you two, we got a remote control AC. Luxurious.
Too hot. Don't let it get by the window, please. Jacob, don't. Jay, knock it off right now.
I just watched
Keep growing.
He probably is.
I don't want to. Jacob, get back in here, damn it!
Well, Coco went into my room where it's cool.
Anybody would. And your thing is black.
Yeah, because I turned it so they can watch.
It's hot as crap.
Yeah, you two.
And then you got numbers on it too.
Yep. This is our new AC. Also, my dad broke his chair when he tried to lean back. He almost fell backwards. Ah!
Well, you gotta remember too, Jacob. Things don't last forever.
Hey, it's a footstool. Like this. You can't lean back. You go, oh!
You lean back.
Hey, it's right one
No,
of
if you
those.
lean back, you're gonna break that that generator. That generator wouldn't keep you need to keep an eye on the window.
Is she trying to get to it? Yeah.
You didn't just anything that small, have you?
Oh,
Have you? You didn't, like, I never have. You sure that's gonna fit in there? With these crazy fur balls? Jacob, get in here, damn it!
I keep an eye on you.
I'm in there.
Hey, pet her in the head. See what I did.
Oh man, why is she wet?
Because it's hot in here. She needs to be cool.
It got me wet. I'm all
Use this to keep
I'm
yourself
all
cool.
wet.
Especially them.
I'm
sorry,
all
Midnight.
wet. You got me wet. It got me wet. No, you got me all wet. Go away, old man. Boo, boo.
You make it see.
Man, when you get it wet, she gets fur, loses fur.
Hey, she likes me for what I did. So you suck it. On my ass.
Take my hand off.
Say hey to Little Midnight.
Yeah.
Meow.
And I got cat hairs all on my hands. Don't spray the cat anymore, okay?
No, just hold this.
No, you put it back and put it over there. You know what you're doing. I'm not getting in the middle of it. You gotta remember too, Jake, when you take a AC out of a window that's been raining, you know it's gonna have water. Water issues. You want me to help you hold it? If I can do it, I mean you can do it. Oh, move, dummy! We're getting into that window. Say it again. Midnight, no. You alright? Move, Midnight. Any way you want. Over now. Don't mess with it, Jay. Don't fuck with that!
I'm trying to move it so.
No, you were turning it on. There's a difference.
So we gotta make the window open wider.
It is wider, you stupid cow. Dang. How more wider do you want it to be? Shit.
Okay, come on. Whoa.
You're sitting on your feet, Jacob.
Stop.
Okay.
Don't push it.
I'm not.
Leave it there for right now.
Don't touch it.
I'm not.
Put your hands off of it.
It's not even on it.
Well, that thing's almost $300. Oh, that's how you hold it in?
Whoa.
Don't touch it!
Okay.
I need to go outside now.
I want you to
Stay
make that
right
fall out
there.
I am.
Make that thing fall out the window. I think it's over $300. Whatever, Brute, dude.
Hey, step out of the way of the camera. I want to see it. Once it gets cool in here, I don't have to worry anymore.
You turn your dang AC off when it gets cold in your room, and then the rest of the house is hotter than Christmas.
Okay, what we do now?
Okay.
Right there.
I am.
You know, I wish we had a unit outside instead of in the house.
I'm holding the thing down. Hey, Wi-Fi connect. If the Wi-Fi is working. Yeah, we got Wi-Fi in eco mode, you two. Oh, I got the vapors.
No, we just sweating like a bunch of pigs outside.
Hey, show them.
No, I'm not moving.
They want to see your back for a few.
Well, if you don't want to put it up, then move the bloody thing. Don't break my bed now. I gotta sleep on that thing.
Thank you for moving.
You know something? You can kiss my butt.
You can kiss my ass.
Ah, that hurt.
You can kiss my ass.
Nope. That had some teeth in it when I farted.
hurt behind.
Oh, 10 minutes, not bad.
No, I already hurt my thumb.
Ha!
And you got my bed all wet.
Yeah, the AC liquidated on it. It went wee wee. It took a little wee wee.
Yeah, right. I wanted it wee wee.
So we're good?
Sorry.
Oh, Kobo.
Ooh, stomach stinks.
Ooh.
Did you fart?
No, that was you.
No, not bad, no.
I need that knife over there.
Here's a knife.
Don't forget you gotta go to that thing tonight.
Oh yeah, YouTube, I have a meeting at 7:30 tonight. So I won't be here. And I'm leaving my tablet here.
Stuff is. It's back the way it was. What?
Hey, she looked up at me and went,
See, you put this on the bed, look at that. Look at that hair. Oh, look at the cat hair. The cat hair is still up. Jacob, here. Jacob.
what's that for?
It was put him on the pillow a little bit better. That's all the cat inside. And you put it on the bed. Do I have cat hair on my backside? Do I? Look, I have a bunch of cat hair on my backside. I'm just wondering if I had cat hair on the backside of my pants. I just asked if I had some.
You got some more.
Don't hit
I'm
me.
not.